Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to take this time to make you a quick educational video. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I did want to give you some tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. And then at the end of this video, if you could possibly send me back some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So, like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get started. The things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that you see on your front page here. Any words that are used, any photos that you used, how your photos are saved, and what's behind your photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. And then within that content, you want to be able to take keywords that you want your business to be found for and implement them into that content as well. So what a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular product or service. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google the exact terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things in different areas that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. Now, I did put your website into a tool that we use here called Ahrefs, and this is going to show you the analytics of your website. So right now, the first thing that you see here is going to be your trust and your strength with Google. So this is based on a scale of 100. And the idea is to be able to boost those up, but also keep them as even as possible. Now, the next thing is you have 0 keywords that we're indexing for, so you definitely want to be able to do research, find those specific buyer intent keywords, and place that throughout your content. That way, when people are searching for your services, we can get you boosted up in Google and you'll be able to be found better. Now, you do have 16 backlinks, and it's coming from one referring domain. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, the thing is, not all backlinks are created the same. The links are not created equal. Some are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, which that will bring power to your website. I will show in comparison what other people are doing on a different website as well. Now, the next thing that you want to go over here is this is called the Google Map Pack. So with that, the idea is once you get all these things working together, we're able to build that power, build that trust, build that strength, and get you ranking higher on Google, because being right here in the top 3 on the map pack, that's your bread and butter. That's where most of the customers, when they're looking for your services, they're just going to go right there to those first businesses and see and look into their services. Now, another thing I want to go over is when you do a Google Business Profile, they give you an About Us section. You have a maximum of 750 words. You want to take and utilize every single word in that section. And you also want to be able to place keywords in that section as well. Also, I do recommend that you are very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Also, make sure you keep posting weekly posts and geolocated photos. That's all going to help with your relevance. Another thing that's very important is called citations. So that is where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. Now, by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase the relevance, and then it also helps with your website as well. So like I said, I pulled up another one of the people in your area. He's got, quite a bit of content on the front page here. And I put his analytics in as well. So as you can see here, he's definitely got higher strength and trust, a lot more backlinks, keywords, and he's getting more traffic because of it. So the idea is to be able to research your competitors and see what they've got going on, because then we can locate those buyer intent keywords easier. We'll be able to search through and see what people are searching for, the volume that people are searching for, things like that. So that way you're able to implement it into your website. So when people are searching for those specific items, that we're able to get you ranking for them as well, so you pop up on Google. So again, I just want to say thank you for your time. If you did ever have any feedback, I would love to know if this was ever helpful to you. I will attach my name, phone number, and email. So if you ever just want to call, text, email, whatever works best for you, if you ever have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.